Welcome to WordPress. Time is money. Save time as much as you can. Switching tabs and web browsers creates distraction. Avoid distractions to save time. If you are a content creator, influencer, marketer, or you browse the web a lot and use ChatGPT for your tasks, I have a great tip for you. You can use ChatGPT anywhere, right from where you are. Research, ask questions, get replies, reply messages, generate tweets, write blog posts, generate any kind of content from anywhere without opening ChatGPT. Let's see how. I have several tabs and programs opened. I want to quickly go through each tab and update where needed using ChatGPT. If there is text involved, ChatGPT can handle the task more than anything. For my Twitter profile, I want to publish a tweet reminding my followers to check new ChatGPT tutorials that will boost their productivity. But I don't want to leave this tab and I do not want to spend time in crafting a perfect tweet. So I will do this instead. I'll go to this website, chatgptwriter.ai. ChatGPT Writer. It's a Chrome extension to generate entire emails and messages using ChatGPT AI. All sites are supported and it also supports Gmail. So let's download this free extension. ChatGPT Writer. Write mail messages with AI. Click Add to Chrome. Add extension. After installing, make sure you pin it. Click extensions icon. In front of ChatGPT Writer, click pin icon to pin it in front of address bar. Now go to the required tab. You may need reloading the tab once. Click at this icon for ChatGPT Writer. Message context is optional. Enter your prompt here. I want a tweet under 250 characters reminding my followers to check new ChatGPT tutorials on my YouTube channel. That will boost their productivity. Add couple of relevant tags as well. You can see examples as well for inspiration, like write a reply to this email about salary negotiation. Write a reply to this email. Write a reply to this email that I won't be able to attend meeting due to some issues. All right. Hit this button, generate response. All right, we have got the tweet with tags. Copy this tweet. Close the dialog. Paste the tweet. It said boost your productivity with the latest ChatGPT tutorials on my YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the chance to learn new skills and tips. Productivity tips, tutorials, and ChatGPT. It also included really interesting icons. Okay, tweet. Let's get another tweet. Click this icon again. Enter prompt. Give me an interesting tweet about benefits of learning ChatGPT as a web developer. Max characters should be 250. Add couple of relevant tags as well. Generate response. Want to enhance your web development skills? Learn ChatGPT, the cutting-edge AI language model that can assist you in building smarter chatbots, automating workflows, and improving user experience. With ChatGPT, you can take your web projects to the next level. AI, web development. Copy response. Close dialog. Tweet. Publish. Okay, here's Facebook page. I want to remind my followers to follow this page for latest content on technology and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. To do that, click this icon, ChatGPT Writer, provide prompt, type a post for my Facebook page to remind visitors to follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth tutorials on web development. Generate response. Copy response. Close. Hi everyone, just a friendly reminder to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We offer in-depth tutorials on web development that you won't want to miss. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, our content is sure to help you take your skills to the next level. So why wait? Click that follow button and hit subscribe now. On our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all the latest tips, tricks, and technologies for mastering web development. We can't wait to see you there. Looks good. Post. And here is the update. Okay, this is a Facebook chat message. Let's reply it using ChatGPT. Copy the message. Click at ChatGPT writer icon. Provide message context. Paste the message and provide prompt. Reply this message to say that I will check plugins and ask him about what can I expect in return from them regarding sponsored video. How will sponsored video benefit me? Generate response. Alright. Copy the response. Paste it. Alright. Hello, person name. Thank you for reaching out to me and for your kind words about my YouTube channel. I appreciate the opportunity to collaborate with this company and showcase your WordPress plugins to my audience. Before we proceed, I would like to check out your plugins to ensure that they align with the interests and needs of my audience. I will also need more information on what I can expect in return from a sponsored video. Good choice of words. Could you please provide me with more details about the collaboration and how it will benefit me? This will help me determine if it's a good fit for my channel and audience. Thank you again for your interest, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Best regards. Web style press. Send. In seconds, a proper response. Okay, this is a message on Twitter. Hi, I watched your video on YouTube on how to install WordPress using cpanel. That's the video. Where I am confused is I couldn't see the button to click and create a subdomain. Please help me out. Okay. Provide the message context. Enter prompt like thank him and reply this message and describe how can he create subdomain on cpanel. Generate response. Now here is a complete response. Copy response. Close. Paste. Hello, thank you for watching my video on how to install WordPress using cpanel. I'm glad you found it helpful. Creating a subdomain on cpanel is a simple process. Here are steps to follow. Log into your cpanel account and navigate to the domains section. Click on subdomains icon. In the create subdomain section, enter the name of the subdomain you want to create in the subdomain field. Select the domain you want to create the subdomain for from the drop-down menu. If you want the subdomain to point to a specific directory, enter the directory name in the document root field. Click on create button. That's it. Your subdomain should now be created and ready to use. Let me know if you have any further questions or need additional help. Proper response with all the instructions and a detailed reply in seconds. Okay, this is LinkedIn. I want to ask my LinkedIn followers which tutorials they enjoy the most. Let's click this icon, provide prompt. Ask my LinkedIn followers about which tutorials they enjoy the most from topics of JavaScript, WordPress, React.js, AI tools. Generate response. Sure, I can help you with that. Here's a message you can post on LinkedIn to ask your followers about their favorite tutorials on these topics. Response is from here. Hello, my fellow LinkedIn connections. I am curious to know which tutorials you have found most helpful and engaging when it comes to learning about JavaScript, WordPress, React.js, and AI tools. Please share your favorite resources in the comments below. I'm always on the lookout for great learning materials, and I'm sure others would appreciate your recommendations too. Thank you. Not bad, but I will tweak it a little bit. Let's say hello guys. Alright, post. Okay, this is an article. If in the middle of reading this article, I want to get more information about a term or subject in it, I can ask. For example, let's ask about OpenAI. What is OpenAI? Generate response. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of a team of researchers and engineers dedicated to advancing the field of artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial way. It was founded in 2015 by a group of prominent figures in the technology industry, including Elon Musk, so on and so forth. Alright, cool. I got the answer at this same page without opening ChatGPT, without going to ChatGPT, totally free. And this tool or this extension doesn't need any kind of API key as well. Okay, so now this is a blog post. I want to add content to it, such as explanation about something. Let's say GPT. So I will ask, act as a blog writer and tell me what is GPT. Generate response. GPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning technologies to understand and generate human-like language, making it a powerful tool for a wide range of natural language processing tasks. Okay, interesting. Copy response, and now I can use it here. Paste. Save draft. Or let's just publish it. See how easy it is. ChatGPT is available as an intelligent assistant everywhere, just one click away. There's no need to switch tabs or go anywhere else to get answers or content. ChatGPT is with you wherever you go. Okay, if you want to try another similar option, I would recommend Merlin, ChatGPT assistant for all websites. It's a Chrome extension. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for Merlin ChatGPT Assistant for all websites. Merlin ChatGPT Assistant provides easy access to ChatGPT from anywhere using a keyboard shortcut. And there are more extensions like these as well. So check these out. For more AI tools, extensions, and ChatGPT tips and tutorials, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.